How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in this video, let's show you on how you can make a keychain in Tinkercad. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to, of course, customize your keychain the way you want to. Now, to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and make a nameplate keychain right here, which is one of the most common keychain templates out there. And of course, you then want to add where you then want to insert the hole. So you just want to place a cylinder onto the main shape right here. Click on the hole function, and basically you then want to merge them together by clicking on the union group option. Now it will then create this hole onto our shape. Basically, let's go ahead and try that again and make sure that it penetrates with our shape right here. So let's do the same thing. And now we have our keyhole. From here, you then want to once again customize the keychain the way you want to, but in my case, I'm going to be putting our name right here, or my name. So in our case, it's going to be something like guide on our keychain. And then of course, you then want to once again customize this depending on your style. And basically, that's how you create a keychain in Tinkercad. That's how easy it is. But if you want to do something like a dragon or something different, you just want to make sure that you insert this specific cylinder hole onto your shape. And basically from there, you will be able to use this as a keychain by wrapping around a chain onto the whole part right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.